To know more on HIV or AIDS, call toll-free number 1097. Know your status. Be educated about AIDS. Issued in public interest by the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society.
Umentri Badekmi Yakatanat Forest and Environment, James P.K. Sangmao Loong, Baka Jingshna Yaki Knap Tangbru, Kashong Haga Jingdon Jongapisa, Dagababunda Bakasor Kar Hadumanta, Kalade Bakanchna, Artandru Tuligi Knap Tangbru, Neki Crematorium, Bat Kadon Yakijing Tmuru, Shushu, Hagalangi Benta Jongajala. Yakani James Ulaong Habujubab Yakijinkali, Gablawanda, the Emily Shimet, the Mauplang, Ba Santa Claus Son, Hapoking Dorbar, Mentagasni. Katkun Kajingitu Jong James, House name Arajar Kandajipo, Lashna Artli, Kaway Hamid Mintru, but Kaway, Hatat Mutlong, West Janta Hills, Hakajinglut Kabalong, Katsanlak, Supply Hajar, Sunspa and Southern House name Arajar Kadway Kadar, Lashna Biang Artli, Kaway Hasaba Muswang, but Kaway Hapopas E, West Janta Hills, Hakajinglut Kabalong, Arpulak, Sanpo Hajar Tinka. House name Arajar Kadar Kadline, Lashna Hadu Katsantli, Knaptang Kata Hapo. Mukha Yalong, Minkren, Padu, Yalong, Lasken, Nongkanri, Kibahap, Apo West Janta Hills District, Ha East Janta Hills District, Lashna, Kleriat, East Khas Hills, Lashna, Apo Lumpering, Lausotun, Nongkrem, Marbisu, Nongkaliang, Batwaken, Southwest Khas Hills, Ladep Banchna, Apo Nonglang, Rangblang, Riboy, Habernihat, Kabade, Nagajingyo Pisa, Jonga 12, Finance Commission.
Sir, the department has no records of the speech made by the chief guest on the occasion. So far, 26 numbers of eco-friendly crematoriums have been constructed across the state.
Mr. Speaker, sir, Meghalaya is a secular state. The state respects the religious sentiments and practices of each and every community living in the state. In this context, Mr. Speaker, sir, cremation of the mortal remains of the dead is the religious practice of the community believing in the indigenous faith, namely Nyam Khasi and Nyam Tenrai. With the advent of the eco-friendly crematorium by late Campbell Shulai of Saint Rai Jowai, they entered into a memorandum of understanding with Saint Rai Jowai in 2011 and adopted the copyright technology for implementation of the eco-friendly crematorium across the state.
Mr. Speaker, sir. Sir, a memorandum of agreement was entered into between the Senrai Jowai and the Senrai Saint Kersu Klokenrin for the construction of these eco-friendly crematorium which were designed by late Campbell Shulai. And this agreement was made and entered into on the 13th of February 2019, sir.
Sir, from the reply of the Minister, it appears that so far 26 numbers of eco-friendly crematorium have been constructed across the state. May we know the cost of each eco-friendly crematorium that were constructed?
So, there were 26 numbers of eco-friendly crematorium which were constructed over the years, sir. And the location of these, I'll just read out the names of the locations, sir. It was in Meemintudu and Thadmudlong villages in the year 2009-2010. and the cost of this was rupees 15,43,564. Sir, in the year 2011 and 12, there were two crematoriums which were constructed, sir, in the villages Sabha Muswang and Pasie villages, sir. And the cost of this was at rupees 20,50,000. Sir, there were total of 15 numbers which were constructed between the year 2012 and 13, sir. And these were in Mukha Yalong, Minkrem, Adu, Yalong and Lasken Nongkanri villages in West Jentia Hills, in East Jentia Hills in Clariat, in East Khasi Hills, Lomparing, Losutun, Nongkrem, Marbisu, Rangkaliang and Waken, in Southwest Khasi Hills in Nonglang and Rangblang, and in Ribhoi district, sir, in Bernihart. So I don't have the cost of this, of these particular eco-friendly crematoriums, sir, but they were funded under the 12th Finance Commission, sir. Then in the year 2013-14, there were 7 numbers of crematoriums which were constructed in West Jentia Hills in Mintkung and Konchnong villages, 1 number in Nongpo in Ribhoi district, 1 number in Mawlam in East Khasi Hills, 1 number in Shaid, Oid in Southwest Khasi Hills, and 2 numbers in West Garo Hills in the Hindu Shamshan Bhumi Committee, Tura, and the Phulbari Shamshan Mandir Committee in Phulbari, sir. 7 numbers in total in the year 2013 and 14. I do not have the costing for this either, sir, but these were constructed under the 13th Finance Commission Award, sir.
Sir, may I know from the Minister whether implementation of these eco-friendly crematorium on the ground could be carried out without any hurdles? If not, has the concerned government administrative machinery timely intervened on such matters, like the case of Minsu, where NOC is still awaited till date?
Sir, I do not have the records pertaining to this particular crematorium, sir, and sir, I'll require notice for that. Sir, as a government, sir, we do not have any bias, and for us all religions are equal, sir. And if there are any grievances pertaining to availability of land in terms of NOC, sir, we will examine the matter and get it resolved, sir. Sir, as was mentioned by the Honorable Member from Mawphlang, sir, that these eco-friendly traditional crematoriums, sir, they have many benefits, sir, and for us as a department, sir, we have been supporting the construction of these crematoriums in the past, and thereby, sir, 26 numbers of such eco-friendly crematoria were constructed in different parts of the state, sir. And we are very much keen, sir, to see that more such crematoria can be put up in different parts of the state, sir. However, sir, as we all know, sir, that this is strictly as per availability of funds, sir. And as and when funds are made available, sir, we will definitely consider the setting up of more crematoria across the state, sir.